Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we're featuring products from Scrappy Boy Stamps, and we're going to make a Christmas tag for a gift using the Mouse Ears mini album set, die set, the mouse card die set. I've pulled the sentiment magical from the fairy tale phrases, oh my word die set, and I'm using a piece of the Christmas Carol 6x6 pattern paper. Make sure you head over to the Scrappy Boy website to check out the Better Than Black Friday sale that's going on currently. At the time of recording this video, you're going to want to check that out. And all the details are over on his website. So I've already cut out all my parts and pieces. I'm going to pull in a silicone mat. We're going to make the mouse car die first. So, because it's going to take the longest. Hey, before we get started on our assembly and everything, I'm going to take some rhubarb stalk ink, and I'm going to go around the parts of my car to add a little bit of definition. So we're just going to ink blend around the edge of our die cuts. So we've got four parts of the car. Or 3 parts to the base of the car. Plus we have the seat and all of our little characters. So we're going to add a little ink around all these parts. Just right around the edge. I'm going to add a little around my tag. Because it's the tag to the car. So we'll add a little ink to that. I'm not going to worry about ink for the other parts. So it's pretty good. So I'll move that. Okay, so we're going to take that part. That's the base of our car. And we're going to take our glue press. And then I'm going to take the largest part right here. This is the back part of our car. So we're going to arrange that right in there. Sliding it right there. Grab my little tweezers. This is the back of the seat. So I'll go ahead and add that on as well. Because I'm just going to nestle that right into place. Be sure to line that up. I just thought this would be a cute tag. And once you see the other parts that I picked out, you're going to see why I think this. Because it's just going to be an adorable little Christmas tag for a fan of the mouse. We've got our trunk on. We've got our license plate. We've got our other little license plate, or part that goes layers onto the license plate, which I'm pretty sure you could probably find a stamp that you could probably stamp something on the license plate. Because, you know, there are tons of small little sentiment stamps. You could probably find something that would fit in there. And think about it at the time, or I probably would have hunted for something. We'll take that, and we're going to add this on. So we'll add that in a minute. We'll add our bumper. Take and layer this on. I cut this from just some silver cardstock. Get that lined up there. I'm going to add that bumper right there, or tag right there. Here's our little mice. And we do have the little faces parts for them as well. This right here. Get layered on there. So we'll add just a little bit of liquid glue. And we will lay their little white parts of their faces onto our silhouette. We'll add a little liquid glue behind this one. We'll add that little face on there. Add a little glue. We're going to tuck them behind into their little seat. So So they're sitting in their car driving down the road. We've got our little wheels. We're just going to add a little liquid glue there. And we'll tuck this under our little wheelbase. The same thing to our other side. Sure we have them about the same distance. Okay, there we go. Now we've got a little dot that's going to go right here. I cut that from black cardstock. And then we're going to layer on our tail lights. So I've cut those from silver because it's a layering piece. So we're going to add that right there. We'll add that silver one over here. I will add another little dot of glue in the center. So I did cut them again from some yellow goldish cardstock. And then we've got some little decorative pieces for our car as well. We've got some little hinges for the trunk. As well as a little emblem as well. So I'm going to add those little hinges on. And then we've got our little decorative piece, which is actually a layering piece as well. It's going to go right there. And then I've got a little piece that we're going to layer onto that. There is our little mouse car all made. So I'm going to move that to the side, let that dry for a second. I'm going to cut the shadow layer for my sentiment out using just some white cardstock, and I've cut the magical sentiment out of black cardstock. So I'm trying to keep our colors repeating. So we'll just add some little beads of liquid glue. And I almost lost the tittle to my eye. I know y'all are so shocked. So we're going to layer those together. Add a little glue there. And take my little tittle, flip it over, add the tittle to our little eye. Now, I've cut the largest part of the tag out of that same heavyweight cardstock, and then I cut the stitched edge out of this beautiful pattern paper from the Christmas Carol pattern paper pack. I thought that would be super cute with the car, like they were driving down the road, looking at the shopping scene. Maybe they're out looking at Christmas lights or something like that. I almost used the wreath set for the pop-up envelope die, but I decided that I wanted to have this beautiful pattern paper on here. So we're going to add that, making sure that's nice and centered. And that way we have plenty of room to write a message on the back. So now we can take our little mouse right there. We're going to add our little sentiment. We're going to add it down there. Right on the hubcap. Not hubcap, the trunk and the Oh, the back of the car. I'm going to take some thin foam tape and I will pop up our little car so it's not completely flat on our tag. So I will take and cut some smaller pieces, cut this down. I've added foam tape behind our car, and I'm just going to peel all these backings off. I'll take and add some liquid glue behind on our foam tape so that we can have a little bit of wiggle room to get our little mouses in their car in place. I'm going to go grab some ribbon and I'll be right back. All right, so one thing that I do, I take scraps of ribbon when I have like extra ribbon. I will cut them, or like little bits that's left on the thread, and I'll stick them in a little jar. And that way I can go and pull those first to use before I delve into a new piece of ribbon. All right, so we're going to pop a hole into our little mouse tag. I just wanted to see if I had some an eyelet that would be big enough for that hole, and I don't. So I'm just going to take my little grouping of twine or ribbons, and I'm going to poke them through my little hole. I'll pull that up. Let's even out our black and white ribbon there. I'll trim off that white. Trim that one a little bit. I'm going to take some twine. And I will take and put this around. And I will tie this into a little bow. I tie it into a knot first. Tie that into a bow. And then you can use that to tie onto your present, or you can leave it just the knot and tie it onto the present just like that. Whichever you want to do. But there is our magical mouse head tag. Here is a closer look at our tag. If you need any of the products that I've featured today, you can find them in the links listed below and over on the Scrappy Boy website. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, stay crafty, love you.